Hey, what's up guys? My name is Topher. I'm with Walser Nissan in Burnsville, and today I'm just going to be going over how to hook up your phone to Bluetooth with the new Nissan models that we have here. Alright, so for hooking up Bluetooth here, first thing I always like to do is just go right into my settings here, and I go straight into my Bluetooth. So I pull up the Bluetooth here, and then I make sure that I'm at the menu here in this new Nissan model, and then I go straight to connections here. And then what I do is you can hook up to 6 different devices here. So I'm going to click add new. And then I'm going to scroll down on my phone here where it's going to pick up this device, and it's going to say my Rogue because I'm in a new Nissan Rogue right now. So I'm going to click that, and then it's going to bring up this pairing code right here. And as long as that matches the code right up here, which it does, I'm going to go ahead and hit pair. And then because this is not my car, I'm just going to go ahead and not allow my contacts to be synced up, but in your own car, feel free to do that. And here we go. I'm all set up via Bluetooth. Well, I hope that helped with hooking up your phone with these new Nissan models. If you run into any questions, feel free to give the phone number on your screen a phone call. Otherwise, you can always visit our website at walsernissan.com.